New, scam or legit? A Creators Alliance explained. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Creators Alliance, a platform that's been making waves online. But the real question is Creators Alliance a legitimate service, or is it just another scam you should avoid? Let's break it down. Creators Alliance markets itself as a platform aimed at helping content creators with tools and resources to boost their online presence and revenue. It promises exclusive opportunities, access to industry experts, and personalized support for creators looking to grow their brand. Sounds promising, right? When you first visit their website, Creator Alliance looks professional with clear calls to action, and their offerings seem too good to miss. From content optimization strategies to monetization tips, everything looks polished and ready to help creators succeed. However, the real concern begins when you dig deeper. While Creators Alliance doesn't provide clear details about who runs the company or their track record, it still seems legitimate, but the lack of background information raises some doubt. Legitimate platforms usually have a clear contact info and transparent founder/team details. These are very few genuine reviews or testimonials from real users online. Some of the reviews on social media appear to be overly positive, which can be a sign of fake endorsements. Additionally, some users have reported difficulty reaching customer service after signing up. For promises versus reality, Creators Alliance promises rapid growth and guaranteed income, which sounds a bit too good to be true. If something sounds too easy and too good, it might be worth proceeding with caution. So is it a scam? Not necessarily, but there are enough warning signs to treat it with caution. Please be safe. Thanks for watching.